Hi guys, it's me, Suchak. I recently achieved my desired score of 8 each in PTE with an overall 9. I did an online course as instructed by my instructor, Mr. Roman Pathak. I think he is one of the best instructor in Melbourne. He gives his opinion regardless of any business motives or other things. I attended some free trials in some of the other institutes in Melbourne, which I did not find useful. Roman sir gave me some advice regarding writing, which was very useful when I attended the test. I used some of his templates, but I put in my own opinions and created a flow of ideas. Regarding speaking, I would like to say you have to maintain your fluency and your pronunciation. For all the aspiring students out there, I would like to say some few key tips. First, I would like to say there are 3 C's that are very important. The first one is careful planning. Whenever you are going to sit an exam, you have to carefully plan the exam for at least 2 or 3 weeks before so that you can prepare for all the sections of the PTE. And the next one is concentration. Whenever you are giving exam, you should be fully concentrated for 3 hours. Don't think about whether you will achieve the desired result or not. Just try to give the best. And the last one is confidence. Before you are sitting an exam, you should be confident in yourself. You should have belief in yourself that you can actually nail it. Overall, I would like to say you have to prepare well and go into the exam with a confident mindset. Thank you.